My name is Huyền. Titanic. Titanic about to sink. Peter bought a small boat. It's a very expensive boat. It's a small blue Vans Splispe sailing. Peter struggled, hoping a license. He has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yelled to her, "What's up?" She ignored him. He yelled, "How's it going?" She keeps going and ignored him. He yelled, "Hey, why won't you talk to me?" She has wanted to row with me. My boss can go far to people. She turned to look at him. She says, "I don't want to row with him. But if you let me borrow the boat, I will give you a surprise." Peter says, "Okay." He jumped off the boat. He gave her the key and said, "Here's the key." The beautiful blonde takes the key and kissed Peter on the cheek. Then she jumped into the boat and Peter's boat rolled. Peter stood on ships about to sink. Now he has no boat and no room. He said, "That's it, just a kiss on the cheek." He huge the float and swim to shore.